In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up return policies in your Shopify store, 2025 step-by-step tutorial for beginners. A clear return policy builds trust, sets expectations, and can reduce support tickets and chargebacks. I'll walk you through the exact place in Shopify to set it up, and share what to include so it's helpful to customers and easy for you to manage. Start by opening your Shopify admin. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has the right permissions to edit store settings. Once you're in the admin dashboard, look toward the bottom left corner and click Settings. This is where all the core store controls live, things like checkout, shipping, and of course your legal pages. Inside Settings, select Policies. Depending on your interface, this may also be labeled Legal. This section holds your key customer-facing policies, such as privacy, terms of service, and the one we're focusing on, your return and refund policy. Open the Return and Refund Policy Editor. Here, you can write your policy from scratch or paste in the text you've prepared. Keep it clear and specific. Outline the return window, like 30 days from delivery, and define item condition requirements, such as unworn, unwashed, and in original packaging. Explain what proof is required. For example, an order number or receipt. Clarify who pays for return shipping and whether you offer prepaid labels, store credit, exchanges, or refunds to the original payment method. Note typical processing time so customers know when to expect updates or funds. If you have items that are final sale or non-returnable, like personalized products, perishable goods, or digital items, call those out plainly. It's also wise to separate how you handle defective or damaged products from simple change-of-mind returns. Keep the tone friendly but firm, and include a simple way for customers to reach your support team without listing any sensitive details here. Remember that return rules can be affected by local laws. If you sell internationally, consider adding a brief line acknowledging that different regions may have different rights and that you'll comply with applicable regulations. When your policy text looks good, click Publish. Publishing makes the policy live and linkable. Most modern Shopify themes automatically surface it at checkout and in the storefront footer, so customers can find it without contacting support. That's it. You opened Shopify, headed into Settings, went to Policies, added your return and refund policy, and published it. Keep your policy up to date as your business evolves, and make sure your customer service team follows it consistently.